How to recover multiple deleted files at once in Mega Cloud. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Mega Cloud app on your device. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then, you will find Rubbish Bin. Click on Rubbish Bin in here. You'll find all your deleted files in here. Simply select the file. If you have multiple, you can simply select it. After you've done that, press on the three dots at the top right. If you want to clear, clear. If not, press on the arrow at the top and it will be restored on your uploads. This is how to recover multiple deleted files at once in Mega Cloud. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.